having a wonderful day. Today we are harvesting our potatoes. It just started sprinkling. Today we are harvesting our potatoes. We have been waiting forever and we thought today would be a good day to do it. It's kind of like a treasure hunt, so it's super fun. Luca has been excited. So let's go ahead over there. Okay, here we are by the potatoes. We've got some lovely weeds that are trying to encroach in. It's the heat of the summer and they are just going crazy. I already cleaned out that area and they're already growing back. So if you see weeds, it's just life going on. But you can see the potatoes have already flapped down, yellowing, dying back is what we're looking for. They're not all like that. There's a few that look fine over here, but for the most part they are. And we have it planted till here, kind of like where the weeds start, honestly. Right there. We have fewer potato plants planted than last year because when we ordered them and we got them, we thought they were just as many as the year before. We wanted lots of them, but there are fewer of them. So we'll see. We may get a smaller harvest. Hey, bud, you gonna help us today? Or we may get just as big or a bigger one. Sometimes if you have fewer plants, they have more room to spread out and grow. So that would be amazing. So here we are. We have little shovels, forks if we need it. I usually like to use my hands and dig in. I don't think we're gonna need it. I forgot our boxes. We have nice big like wide rectangular boxes, kind of like from Costco that we used last year to spread them out to dry. And I forgot them at our chiropractic office. So I just got cardboard boxes, but then I remembered we had some empty planters. I might use that just to stick them in. And let's take a peek real quick. I think, yes, I did make tags. So we planted them on April 28th, like 3.5 months, which is perfect. Going on to 4. We wanted to get some that would have like big potatoes. Last year we had some big ones and we had some small ones, and we really liked the big ones. They were just easier to make stuff with. So we're hoping that's what's in here. Are you ready to find out what's in here? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's do it. Okay, guys, it stopped raining. I grabbed Sebastian, so we're gonna go ahead and dig them up. Thanks.
Look at that.
Butter fun. They're beautiful. Oh, pull that out.
Wow.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Look at this soil.
It is
Beautiful.
so beautiful.
Ooh, you found another one?
Baby?
Look at that. These are huge.
These are huge. Ours were not this big last year from the Yukon Gold.
These are Yukon Gold. Look at
Pretty
that.
potato.
Oh, that's so fun. Got lots of weeds in this bed, but
I think it's
they'll be cleaned up. These. They're pretty dirty, so we're gonna have to let them cure. Wow, that's a nice size.
guys, we are still harvesting. We are on our second to last variety, I think. Here is, you can see that we're starting to lose light. So the camera's not picking it up as well, but we're still harvesting. We're getting, these are the Charlotte variety.
I'll come see.
We're getting lots of beautiful ones. So we're just gonna continue. We are going to put these in a safe, little bit cooler, dry place. Not too cold, not cold, but cooler than outside. and let them dry down. We just brush the dirt off them. As you can see, I'm just sticking them in the box like this, and then after they dry a little bit, I just brush the dirt off them, lay them all out apart from each other so that they can breathe and dry and cure. You'll know the skin gets a little tougher too. It's not like you can nick it with your fingernail when it's dry, and then you can use them. We keep them, last year we kept them all year long. I think we ran out 3/4 of the way through the year. So I'm so excited to have our own potatoes again. So excited. I didn't know that homegrown, are you finding some? Good work. I didn't know homegrown potatoes taste as amazing as they do. There is such a difference. So we are going to thoroughly enjoy these. We may put in another fall crop just because, like I said, this was a smaller batch than we had hoped, but we still have a lot. I'll show you guys. So I'm so excited.
Potato.
Good job, Bug. Thank you guys so much for joining us. It was so fun harvesting these potatoes with you guys. We pray that you have a blessed day. And like I said, we'll show you all the varieties that we harvested, but thanks for joining us. Bye. Okay, guys, we are finished harvesting. It actually is really dark out, so we came in our shop so that we could see the potatoes, so that you can see it in light. We are sweating because it is so humid outside. It feels like we're wet and drenched, but it's nice because it's dark out. It's cooler than, it's been so hot during the day and very sunny. So it was really nice to harvest these while it's a little bit cooler and not under the beating sun. So let me show you guys what we got. All right, here are the potatoes. I am so excited. I apologize for the shadow. Okay, these first ones are the Yukon Gold. Here you go, you can see a little better. These are nice and big, very big ones. Not a crazy ton of them, but nice big ones, like really, really big. You can see bigger than my hand, palm of my hand. So got a good amount there. I'm so excited about that. These are the, let me check real quick. Okay, I remembered earlier, but I just forgot now. This is the Elba. We wanted to get King Harry because we got it last year and they were just the most amazing tasting, big, like golden yellow potatoes. So we couldn't get them anywhere this year. So we got Elba and Charlotte that are supposed to mimic them, being large production. And this one, look at the difference between the Yukon Gold, like crazy amount. And these are nice and big, huge, wonderful potatoes. So I'm so excited about that. That's a lot. And then we go to the
Gold.
Thanks, Bug. Huckleberry Gold. These are like just cute little round purple potatoes. They're not very big, and there's not a lot of them, so that's kind of sad, but it's really fun how little they are and that they're purple.
Show them the tiny one.
These are supposed to be, I don't know where it is. Oh, is this it? A baby. These are supposed to be great tasting, so I'm excited about that. So cute, really fun Huckleberry Gold. And then these are supposed to be like a russet potato. I forgot the name. Let me look. Do you remember?
It's buried, I think. I have no idea what it is.
Hold on. Remember now, these are the Butte potatoes. These are, I feel like we had better success with these this year than we did with the russets last year. So these are a very nice russet-like potato. Huge potatoes and a lot of them. And then in this box we have Charlotte. I hope you can see how many are in here.
We got one that sprouted.
Yeah, we did. They're very nice size, big potatoes. They're pointed at the end. That's how you can tell kind of that let me find one. That these are the Charlotte potatoes. I can't find any, but here, kind of like little pointed at the end. But a lot of them. We must have planted more of these because we have so many. It's half or 3/4 of the box. I'm so excited. And these are supposed to be a nice one like the Elba or like a King Harry. Just a nice yellow potato. Oops, I accidentally scratched that one. But that's why we want to let them cure. You can eat these fresh. So the reason you cure them or dry them is so that they will store longer. If you eat them fresh, you can definitely do that, but they'll just be for, you know, a couple days or weeks, however long that is. We do store them in our pantry in the house. We want to get an above ground root cellar, but we don't have that yet. So when we finish that, that's where they'll go. But for now, so we just put them in the pantry in the house and we had really great success with them. So that was great. So again, here they all are, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Not a crazy, like tons and tons of potatoes, but still a lot. Like there's still a lot of potatoes here. So we are so excited. Thanks so much for harvesting potatoes with us. We'll see you later. Bye.